Hello everyone, myself Raja. I'm from CSC department. My CA assessment 2. My topic is about level of significance in probability statistics. Let us go to our problem statement. In a random simple sample of 60 workers, the average time taken by them to get work 33.8 minutes with a standard deviation of 6 minutes. Can we reject the null hypothesis mu is to 32.6 minutes in favor of alternative hypothesis mu is greater than 32.6 at alpha is equals to 0.05? And procedure for the test of hypothesis. Various steps involved hypotheses are taken below. In fact, the same steps are followed by conducting the test of significance. Step 1. Null hypothesis H naught. Null hypothesis indicates H naught. Define or set up a null hypothesis H naught is taken into consideration the nature of the problem and the data involved. And step 2. Alternative hypothesis. It indicates H1. Set up the alternative hypothesis H1 so that we can decide whether we should use one tail or two tail test. Step 3. Level of significance is indicates on alpha. Select the appropriate level of significance alpha depending on the reliability of the resistance estimates and permissible risk that is a suitable alpha is selected in advance if it is not given in the problem. Usually we choose 5% level of significance. Let us go to the another step. Test statistics. It indicates on modulus of Z. We compare the computed value of the test statistic Z with critical value Z alpha and given at level of significance alpha. Compute the test statistics. The computed test statistics are Z equals to T minus E of T by SE of T under the null hypothesis. Under the null hypothesis. Here T equals to sample static and standard error in the standard error of small t. Let us go to the another slide. Conclusion. At A, modulus of Z is less than Z of Z alpha. We conclude that it is not significant. We accept the null hypothesis. And B, next point, Z. Modulus of Z is greater than Z alpha. Then the difference is significant and hence the null hypothesis is rejected at level of significance alpha. Under large simple test, we will see four important tests to significance. Test of significance for single mean. Second one, test of significance for difference of means or two means. And third one, test of significance for single proportions. Test of significance for difference of proportion two means. These are the four steps of the significance of mean. Test of significance for a single mean procedure. Suppose we went to test whether the sample size n as we drawn from the population with mean mu, we set a null hypothesis h naught. There is no significance between the simple mean mu. Test statistic. Modulus of z equals to x bar minus mu by sigma by root of n. Let us go to the another formula. Test statistic modulus of z equals to x bar minus mu by sigma by root n. Here x bar simple mean, and mu is population mean, sigma population standard deviation, n equals to simple size sample size. Our problem statement are in a random variable in a random sample of 60 workers, the average time taken by them to get work is 33.8 minutes with a standard deviation of 6 minutes. Can we reject the null hypothesis mu equals to 32.6 minutes in favor of alternative hypothesis mu is greater than 32.6 at alpha is equals to 0.05? Given data, sample mean x bar equals to 33.8, sample size n equals to 60, population mean mu equals to 32.6, population standard deviation equals to 6 percentage, and null hypothesis h naught equals to mu equals to 32.6. Alternative hypotheses are h1 is to mu is greater than 32.6, loss equals to 0.05. Test statistic modulus of z equals to x bar minus mu by sigma by root n, and x bar value is 33.8 minus, and mu equals to 32.6 by sigma 6 percentage root of n value is 60. Modulus of it, let us simplify the solution and we get modulus of z equals to 1.52. And last one, conclusion: z alpha equals to z 0.05 equals to 1.64 right tail. Therefore, modulus of z equals to z alpha. We accept the null hypothesis. And thank you. I hope you guys are understand. Thank you.